So they have to start development of this particular project or not? Yes, so that means so what are the so based on this based on their dealing, based on the what type of programming language they want to utilize, as like yes, based on that they have to they start development of this particular project or not. Suppose let us example, they want this software company wants to develop this project by using Java language. At that time, so for this software company they required 10 resources. 10 resources are required in order to develop this particular project means. Now come on here, so within the software company only 5 resources only available here. So come on guys, so 10 resources are required, 10 programmers are required, but within the software company as of now they have only 5 people only available here. At that time, so definitely they have to hire remaining 5 people or not? Definitely they will start hiring process or not guys, because so in order to fulfill the requirement, in order to provide the software to the client, so they have to develop this particular project. So in order to develop this particular project they require 10 people, but only 5 people only available. So in that case definitely remaining 5 people they have to hire from the outside world or not? Now remaining 5 people are required means, so what is the responsibility of these remaining 5 people? Remaining 5 people are what is the responsibility of these guys?
They have to learn technical language.
The software company is looking for technical people or non-technical people. These
Yes.
5 people should be technical people or non-technical people? Definitely they require technical guys only, right?
Yes.
But within this outside world all are non-technical people only.
But they
Yeah.
have learned technical language.
Yes, so definitely. So what is the responsibility of this software company? Yes, so suppose this outside people so wants to get job in the software company. They want to become a software people. Yes, so they want to get the become a Java developer means. So they have to get these outside people say has to learn. Yes. So these outside peoples has to learn any one of the programming language which are available in this outside market. After learning this programming language, now these outside peoples become a technical peoples or not guys? Yes. So now these peoples can able to become a technical people. So that's because they have a technical knowledge. So using those knowledge, they can able to develop the programs or not guys. Now come on. So as of now, you are a non-technical people. After learning this Java language, so you are a technical people or not? You can
Yes.
able to develop the programs using Java language, right? Yes. So that means you are not you are technical people only. Yes. So now you can able to you have a good knowledge about Java language. You know how to develop the programs. Now we can happily get job in the software company or not?
Yes, sir.
Happily, yeah, happily you can apply job in the software companies or not guys? The software company is looking for Java developers. Yeah, now the software company is looking in the outside world, is there any people available with this technical knowledge called Java? They are looking like this means, now you are learning this Java language means, now we are become a technical people, and we have you can happily attend this interview or not guys?
Yes.
You can happily attend this interview. Now after that, so you have a technical knowledge, you can able to answer all these things, and you can able to develop the application. Happily you can get the job in the software company or not guys? Now this technical, now this outside people got job in the software company means, within the software company now these peoples are allocated to this particular team. Whenever this 5 people so allocated to this particular team means, now what is the responsibility of this particular people? What is the responsibility of these peoples? Definitely they have to develop this particular project or not? They have to develop this particular project because they are in the development team, right? They are in the development team, they are responsible to develop this particular project or not? So that means within the development, within the software company, one development team is there. That development team is responsible to develop this particular project or not? So that means so these developers or these programmers are responsible to develop these particular programs based on the client requirement. So that's why first they have to understand the requirement or not. Yes, what are the documents they have? All the documents they are gone through these particular people's guys. These guys are gone through these documents. They can able to understand those documents. Once they are able to understand the requirement, based on the requirement, they can start development of these particular programs or not. Once they are developed these particular programs, directly they are released to this client. Come on guys, once the development is completed, once this development team, yes, so there are multiple programmers are working on this project, this development is completed. Once this development is completed, immediately they say, released the software to this client. No, right? After development completed, who knows that program is working fine or not, that application is working as per the client requirement or not. All of suddenly your application maybe behaves in the wrong way. If I am not testing that application, definitely that application we cannot confirm whether that application is working as per the client requirement or not. Maybe you thought that yes, you are developed that application, that's why you under percentage you confirm that yes, that is working is functionality is fine, because you are thinking in the positive way. But when comes to this negative way, in the negative cases also, there may be a scope of, so your application is not working as per the functionality or not. So all of suddenly my customer provided wrong values. For this wrong values also, our application is working means, what is the use of it, guys? They want to withdraw 10,000 amount from the bank, but so 5,000 only available in this their bank. But still the withdrawal operation is allowed. That application is development is correct? No, right? That is not the proper way of development or not, guys. So for that purpose, so within this once this development is completed, we have to test that particular application or not, guys. Come on here. So definitely we have to test that particular application, right? Without testing that application, so directly we are moved down first development we are once this development is completed, directly we are moved to this particular application to the client. No, right?
Yes,
No, sir.
So we are not moving directly to the client or not. After once this development is completed, within your software company, another team is there. That team is responsible to test that particular application or not, guys.
yes, sir.
Yes, so that means, so which team is there is in order to test this particular application means, so again this developer is also test that application, guys. Yes, I agree. Yes, once the development is completed, this developer also test that application. But not only this developer, in the software company, another special team is there. Special team is allocated only for testing purpose. Whether that application is working functionality, what are the project functionality is there, that is working as per the client requirement or not. Yes, that functionality tested by the another team called testing team. So that means another testing team is there. That team is nothing but another another teams are available. That team is nothing but a testing team. That testing team is responsible to test with this application once this development is completed, guys. Yes, so that's why. Yes, so whatever the development is, once this is completed, this development team is communicating with this testing team or not. Yes, they have to communicate with this testing team in order to test this particular application. Now come on. So within this is my testing team. What is the responsibility of this testing team here? Again, they will start development of your project.
Yes.
No, right?
No, sir.
That is already developed by the development team, right? That is already developed by the development team. Again, why these testers are again start development of this project from the scratch, guys?
They will
This
tell
test, this testing team don't know how to develop this project, right? That development team is responsible to develop this particular project based on the client requirement. Once this development is completed, after that, whatever the developed project is there, that project is shared to this testing team. Now, this testing team is responsible to test this particular project based on the client requirement. Means this testing team is also should know the client requirement or not. Come on, guys. Without understanding the requirement, this testing team is start testing this particular application. No, right? So again, this testing team is also responsible to understand the requirement of this particular project or not. That's why what are the documents, what are the things available in this software company related to that particular project. So who the persons who are involved in that particular project all should understand this particular project requirement or not, guys. Everyone who are working on this particular project, they are responsible to understand the project requirement. So that's why this testing team also should understand this project requirement by gone through all these things. What are the documents, what are the images, what are all these things are available related to this project. And so they gone through all these things. Once they understand this particular project requirement, now they can happily test this application or not. Yes, so this testing team, they will start development this particular application. So testing this particular application. So when comes to the development team, yes, we are also developed this particular application and we are testing this particular application, guys. But we are not full-fledgedly testing our application because we don't know what are the how many ways we can able to test this particular application. Negative ways, positive ways. There are multiple scenarios are available, guys. So for that purpose, again separate courses are available. Those courses are testing team is responsible to learn those courses. That's why they know about all these things or not. Yes. So that means we are also developed, we are also tested this particular application, but that is comes under the technical. If you know, if you want to know what type of testing it is means, so that is comes under the unit testing, guys. Unit testing is nothing but a so the test the application means so the one testing is nothing but a unit testing. But so when comes to this testing team is within the software company. In order to test this particular application, another one special team is allocated. That team is nothing but a testing team. This testing team is responsible to test this particular application. Yes, whenever they are start testing this particular application, they have to test yes, in multiple ways, guys. So that application is working for as per the functionality of this client requirement or not. Yes, so they are testing all the ways. So any errors are available, any bugs are they identified, anything is available. Again, they are now come on. Suppose let us example. Yes, so we are developed this particular application. After testing is completed, testing team found some errors in your application. Without resolving these errors, so directly they are releasing this particular software to this our client. No, right? We are not deployed the software to the production environment or not. With these errors, with these bugs, we are not going to the live, right? So because first we have to resolve these errors, then only our application is working fine or not. Yes, so that means this testing team is responsible to find out any errors are available, any bugs are available, your project is working as per the client functionality or not, yes, as per the requirement, project requirement, your application is working fine or not. All these things checked by this testing team, guys. Once this testing team is completed successfully, there is no errors, there is no any bugs. Yes, so after that, so now come on, guys. Again, this testing team is communicating with this. These peoples are not, guys. Development team are not. Yes, they have to communicate with these peoples. So this process is going on until this testing is completed successfully or not. Yes, so this communication from development team to testing team is going on until this process is completed. Yes, once this process is completed, there is no errors, there is no bugs, then only this testing team is yes, so provide sign off to this particular development team, guys. So that means once they're confirmed, yes, this project is working fine, yes, we can happily release to this particular project means. So then now this testing team is so provide sanction, guys. That is nothing but a yes, so sign off. Yes, so that is technically called as they have provided sign off for this particular project. Okay. Yes, we will continue the rest of the session tomorrow, guys. Okay. Yeah, thank you.